мы заказывали
Какие-то требуют. Ну, теперь сейчас мы точно так.
Сказали уже?
Да, заказали.
Маш,
меняет технологию
да.
мышления, потому что
Заказать такси или поймать машину?
мы общаемся уровне и говорим, что
Не, ребят,
это
Илюк, если надо сейчас уйти, нормально, как бы, I'll cover it, да?
это
Кофе. Не, ну мы же
поэтому мы
Пойдем, серьезно.
1 year, she decided to try with other guy and with other guy.
And she experimented afterwards. Good Christian girl.
Yeah, but he was disappointed.
He was disappointed. No, I don't know. It's strange. I'm totally against something unnatural. If it feels natural.
It's a very good philosophy, no?
For example, I think as an individual you can definitely judge when something feels natural or when something feels unnatural. If it feels natural to be with somebody, to be close with somebody, then it should be done. I don't think that God or spirits or somebody
is in the middle of this thing.
But it's also nature of man. But because sometimes it's we know
No, but the whole point is when you're saying I will not do something until we are, wedded in the eyes of God. I don't know. It just feels
maybe it's
unnatural.
just checking off his feelings also.
Yes.
We don't know. Maybe it's something.
No,
But I see here something else that where one man should make some kind of sacrifice, maybe for love, for feeling became stronger, because maybe it's not so stupid if a princess wants for knights, kill dragons or something like this in the Middle Ages. I mean,
No,
maybe
I-
it was. It's a tradition.
I agree with you, but I just think that it's not a question of a seal. For example, the problem, I'm a cynic. I believe that, for example, no stamp in the passport or no killed dragons will, prevent a
No, I
knight.
just think maybe men
from-
need it.
from-
Maybe it's important for a man.
What, to know that they need a stamp in the passport
Maybe
because they can seal the deal.
not step apart. Maybe it needs make a sacrifice as need for him. Maybe he needs difficulty in a
Some-
way to woman. I don't know, not for everybody, but for me it's also a question. I don't know.
I think I just live in a completely different mentality. I just believe that, well, for me personally, I just don't believe, well, I'm past that point now, but I don't think I could have ever survived until the age of 33. I have to be honest, I sort of, my personal experience came quite late, but even then I realized that maybe it wasn't, in a sense, maybe I was missing something that I didn't do it early. I don't know, it was a strange feeling. It had nothing to do with emotions, I honestly have to say. I think it was just sort of coming of age. It was physical
Physical
growing
feelings.
Yes, it was. And I don't think there's anything wrong with it. The problem
No.
is, for example, now that they're saying that, the problem with religion and the whole idea of priesthood is that they can't marry, so they inflict their sexuality on like children or on prostitutes, and it's perverse. And that's why I believe that sexuality should be expressed. It's a human nature. We were born this way. We were born to recreate via sexual nature. I mean, if you don't recreate, then you have to
You have a kind of frustration or something like that. But it depends
do,
on
and
the
then this
people.
frustration becomes really destructive. I mean, if a person can't do something with his sexuality, then he just starts abusing, well, hopefully not everybody, but he either starts abusing, I don't know, other men or prostitutes or whatever, or he starts abusing little children, and then
Oh, yeah,
you know
it's
it's
horrible.
much better that you would have a wife where you would just have normal, regular, boring
Sex
intercourse.
life.
You know, whatever you want to do, but just do it. Don't corrupt